Biology 170 primary. The Feline xylem are vascular tissues of heart and originate from the protein cells which are engaged in this differentiation of mammalian cells use primary bundle, a layer of symmetric tissue will later become vascular component may remain which between the primary and xylem. Xylem is located in the on the outside of the bundle, specialized transporting products of photosynthesis, usually sucrose from leaves and other photosynthetic tissues to other plants. In addition to fibers, the saccharide, the primer cells proclaims contains sieve tube elements companions. Well, we have in detail. Well, first of all, we have sieve tube elements. A sieve is a selected column of the cells called the sieve tube. It's joined end to end and illustrate the walls of these cells are perforated by enlarged pits forming the sieve plates. The protoplast of the sieve root elements remains living, although its nucleus is disintegrated as the cell differentiates. The sap vacuole membrane and many cell organicals also disappear, leaving the central region filled with the sap directly. In contrast, within that thin layer of cytoplasm close to the cell wall, a mass of the strands pass through the sap and penetrates the sieve plates, linking the interior of each sieve and the tube element directly with the next one. The strands contain large amount of the slimy fibrous protein known as P protein. Number 2, companion cells. Each sieve tube element is closely associated with one or more companion cells, which originate by division from the same meristemic initial. The companion cells have normal protoplast and retain their full complement of cell organelles, and they are believed to regulate the metabolic activity of the sieve tube element. The walls separating two types of the cell are thin and uneven and perforated by numerous plasmodesma. Well, we have primary xylem. The xylem tissue located inside the vascular bundles in the stem is specialized for the transport of water and inorganic salt from the roots to the other parts of the plants. The conducting cells of the primary xylem are called tracheids. So we have the transportation of tracheids. We have the transportation of the xylem vessel elements, and that in fact takes it all along to the upper parts. The tracheids are encollated cells with tapering oblique and end walls and numerous pits through which water passes freely. Number 2, xylem vessel elements. These are typically shorter and fatter than the tracheids and are joined end to end as indicated in the figure. The ends of the vessel elements disappear completely during development so that they form the continuous tube called xylem vessel. The first xylem vessel to develop are known collectively as protoxylem and have secondary walls in which lignin is deposited in rings or spirals in a variety of distinctive patterns. This allows the vessels to coagulate as growth continues. In mature sections of the stem, vessels are formed. These are large and more heavily lignified and have walls which cannot be stretched. That's all for the day. It's the last video to be recorded and uploaded for the day. I'll come along with more details and more videos tomorrow. That's all for the day. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.